Okay, so today I will gonna talk about the debriefing on the Science Journal 4.3 to 4.4. Now for the copying and those like copying stuff, I don't go through with you because because I think most of you can get all correct. I don't think copying the word it is a problem to you. But then for question two, question one over here, actually some of you shows difficulties. Now, some of you, okay, you can, I think most of you, you can identify these two type of cell. Cell A, it would be, actually, it is a sperm cell. And while for cell B, it would be a ovum cell or the ova. Now, some of you, you mentioned egg. Now, in examination, egg is not acceptable. Okay, it is not acceptable. Not acceptable. Okay, it is a must for you to mention, okay, ovum or ova. Now, it is too general, so therefore, it is not acceptable in here. Now, next, okay, for B, part B, okay, it asks you to give two differences in structure. Now, two differences in structure. So in this case, okay, we need to think about structural difference. So, what is structural difference? Now, there are two types. For example, one, okay, maybe one is larger, while the other one would be smaller. And on the other hand, one contain certain structure, while the other one contained or does not contain another structure. So first of all, okay, we notice that actually cell A, okay, sperm cell is a lot smaller than cell B. So one of the structural differences we can give here, it would be sperm cell is smaller than the ovum cell. Then the second one, okay, the second possibility is that, okay, the sperm cell, okay, contain a tail, but ovum cell do not contain a tail. Now, remember, even though I noticed that maybe you already have a perception that the sperm cell, it contains a tail and ovum do not contain a tail, but you cannot just only mention that oh, sperm cell contain a tail. It is important for you to mention someone contain blah, 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 but the other, it do not contain blah, 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 blah. This is because it is a comparison. Okay, this is a comparison. This is a comparison question. Is it clear for that? Now then, okay, which organ that's the cell A and also cell B will be produced from? So for cell A, okay, cell A, it will be produced from the testis. And while for cell B, it would be produced by the ovary. Okay, so this would be a quick debriefing on the Science Journal 4.3 to 4.4. And you can also refer to the answer that I made, okay, in the Google Classroom. So here are some possible or some other reasonable answer for question B. So see whether you have any other question. If you have any other questions, please, okay, just DM me in the Google Classroom. Thank you very much.